Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 4, and welcome back to the revision lesson of the things which we have covered so far in our online and physical classes. Let's start with the unit number 1, which is about the sea. This story is comprising on two friends, Dave and Jack. They went for a treasure hunt. Jack went down to the seabed from the sea surface to hunt a treasure of the sunken ship, which was 80 meters down the surface. Soon, when he was diving inside the ship which was sunken many years ago, then he found a box in which there was so much treasure, right? After that, when he was opening up the boxes, suddenly he felt something on his shoulder and his neck. It was an octopus, a giant octopus, and he attacked and wanted to take off the mask of Jack so that he can drown inside and he can eat it. But he struggled, Jack struggled a lot, and then he was saved from the octopus and he went up to the surface of the sea where Dave was waiting for him. And then he told Dave that he lost all the treasure on the seabed, but he was safely up. Then they decided to go down again, but in the next turn. So then, after reading the chapter, we have done exercise 1 on page number 4, which was a question before the story, which you have to read. There are pictorials. You have to read all the things which is mentioned over there in the comment box, and then you have to answer exercise 1 on page number 4. Then there was another exercise which we have done in our text copy, which was exercise 3 of page number on page number 5. You have to first read page number 4 and page number 5, and then you have to answer all the questions which are given over there. There are 8 questions and you have to answer all of them by reading the pictures and the comment boxes, right? After that, we did in grammar copy. First we started with antonyms. We have done antonyms in our copy, and then we did exercise 1 on page number 6, in which we have a box over there and we have to make sentence by using that particular things in the boxes. There are 4 columns in which we have done in which there are so many words given. You just have to make a particular sentence by adding the words from all 3 columns. That's all for this unit. Then we did unit number 2, the Earth Watch, in which 2 stories were given over there. One was about the apes, in which there were 2 people, a husband and a wife. They went to the jungle in Africa, in which deforestation was taking place, and all the places in the jungle was turned into less trees and more the roads and other stuff, in which all the apes were leaving their houses and they were soon become extinct. Then husband and the lady went over there and they helped all the apes because they were much likely to us. They perform all the things which we do. They are kind towards the species of others. They take care of each other very much, just like we humans do. So then they helped them and stopped the deforestation by taking place, right? After that, the other story is about an engineer who went to Ethiopia, and where the villagers were having troubles while finding water. They have to walk 11 kilometers to get the water to get used in their daily routine life. So the engineer went over there in Ethiopia and he wanted to build a pipeline which will be of 11 kilometers, so that all the villagers will have a tap over there so that they can get water to fulfill their needs of the day. After that, we did exercise 2 on page number 11, which is comprising on the question answers about these 2 stories which we have just read. After that, we did vocabulary meanings of these words. First one was lost, protect, ape, collect and middle. Then there were some difficult words of the chapter like building, Ethiopia, destroyed and protect, right? Then we did sentences. First one was collect, which means to gather. Walk means to walk on something, to move your legs and to move by walking, right? Then we have vegetables and then travel, right? After that, we discussed verb, the definition and some of the translation related to verb. What are verbs? Verbs are the action word, my dear students. You are being a human. All humans are called what? Noun, because every naming word is a noun, and when there is a noun, every time a noun performs a verb. What is verb? Verb are the action words. Whether a noun is a living thing or a non-living thing, they both have to perform, any action. That means now if there is a noun, there will be surely a verb. Just like I am a noun over here. What am I? I am a teacher and my name is Arisha, right? So noun is Arisha and what am I doing? I am teaching. So here the noun will be me and the verb will be teaching, right? This is what? This is the action of what I am doing right now. Right, my dear students? This is how we have discussed verb and we have done some sentences according to the verbs, right? So that's all for today's lesson. Hope to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.